Yesterday, I checked my screen time on my phone, and it said 9 hours. 9 hours. Just staring at my phone. I'll be honest, I spend way too much time consuming media. Whether it's Instagram, YouTube, or whatever, I'll just sit there, scrolling for hours. And yet, I can't seem to devote even 20 minutes to working on my own projects. That hit me hard. It got me thinking, what if I just took one of those hours and dedicated it to YouTube? Like really focused on coming up with ideas, filming, editing, just 1 hour a day spent on something productive. How much more could I accomplish if I did that? Something changed in me this January. I realized I didn't just want to be a consumer anymore. I wanted to be a creator. So I set a goal: one long-form video a week for the next 3 months, just to see what happens. Because honestly, who knows where it could take me? That's the exciting part, the idea that I could be doing what I love from anywhere and actually get paid for it. Creating feels different. It doesn't feel like I'm wasting time. I could be mindlessly scrolling, but instead, I'd rather put effort into making something, even if it ends up being a little awkward or cringy. It's just so normal now to keep consuming, but I don't want to live like that anymore. I want to create. I want to make something real. Honestly, making this video feels kind of awkward, but you know what? I'm done letting that hold me back. I'm going to change that this year. So, here's to 2025. I'm excited to see where this journey goes. Wish me luck.